Hi, welcome to SQL MPOS tutorial. Today we like to teach you how to use SQL MPOS. For the main page in MPOS, it will show time, date, account, and status of counter. Now, let's try to open counter. First, click on the Open Counter. Then enter your open balance and click on to Open button. After that, key in your account password, and you will get the status become open. Next, we would like to open sales. First, we need to press the plus button to bill. In bill, you can choose scan, template, item or category to key in products. Now, let's try to key in the products. When you click the item, you can see all your product in here. Therefore, you can find your product in here, or you can using search to find your product. Then you just press pick button. The item will show in bill. When you choose category, you can see all category. There you can find your product in category. Then just press pick button. The item will show in bill. You can click the minus or add button to delete or add products. Now let's just to do payment. For payment, you need click on the black button. You can choose any method of payment. After that, it will come to payment. Then you enter your received money and press deal. It will show cash bill. In cash bill, here you press print button for printing for the bill. Also can do e-invoice, export PDF and void in cash bill, which press the or on button comma dot. Also you can search your cash bill at all page. Next we try to void the payment. First, click on the payment that you want to void. Then press void, which you can find in orange button at the left side bottom. It will pop out confirmation. Then click void. You need to key in your account password. The cash bill will become void cash bill, and the status in all page will become void. Next we will try to do whole bill. When you want a whole bill, you just need to press back, and then press hold. It will show the bill in on hold page. If customer want to cancel, you can just swipe the bill to right 10, will show delete button for delete. Next we will go to stock item. In stock item, you can manage your item, grid template and price tag in stock item. So now we go to stock item page. In search product, you can use search or scan code to find the product, or you can create new product. When press add, then after you're done, just press create. Then the product will show in the list. Next for category. If you want to add category, you can go to GURD and press add button and key your category name and show name. Then press create. It will show in category list. When you want to add products in category, just click on the category you want, then click add button, then can add the product. When you want to change product, you can click on the product and press change product. Then you can change to another product. If you want to remove your category, you need to press remove category button. It will pop out confirmation to delete category. Press delete, then you need to key in account password, therefore the category will be deleted. Next is create template. For template, you need go to template page. Then click onto the add button to create template. Then the template will be created. If you want to manage the peers, you need to click the template to change the price in ref price column. Also you can add item by using same method like previous. After done, you need to click save to append your template. In addition, if you want to re-ump template or an active template, you can remove or inactive the template by using these buttons. For the price tag, you can just click on the Add Price tag and enter name for the price tag only. Now we go to report. For the report, it will show the report by hourly, daily and monthly. Also, you can customize report in Qsitmize page. You can choose date report analysis, filter and chart type in here. After choose, just click generate. In here, you can choose different chart type like list, bar chart, and moreover type you can choose. Now we go to Customer Management. In Customer Management, it will list out all your customer that you have recorded. Also, you can press Add button to create new customer, and you can check the e-invoice is valid after you enter customer details. So now try to close the counter. You need to go to Main page, which the counter page. Before you close counter, you can press Check Unposted, then we'll show which bill or settlement haven't posted. After that, you just press the Close Counter button, then we'll pop out the close count confirmation, then you need to key in your account password. It will show all the summary in here. In addition, you can send or print this report. Also, you can press Chart button to make chart report. After that, the status will become close. So this is our end for our tutorial. Thank you so much for your listening our tutorial. Wish you can learn how to use SQL MPOS for today. Thank you.